I'm here with Greg Curtis with the Good Earth Greenhouse, and today we're talking about budding. I mean, sometimes you see trees this time of year and you might be thinking, shouldn't there be buds on them? Is this tree still okay?
Yeah.
How do you know for sure if it's just maybe it's still going to bud, but it's okay?
Or if there's some death that's involved. Yeah, this past year with all the rain we had in the winter, Jeff, and then that cold snap we had, that 12, 14 degrees, we had more people coming in this spring than we've ever had before. So we'll start with the budding like you're talking about. You can look right here on the ends of the limbs here. You can see it's starting to swell just a little bit. But if you're not sure, one of the best ways is to go out to the edge of the branch and just scratch it. And when you see the green, you know it's okay. If it's brown right there, what I would do is I'd keep moving back until I found some nice green. I would prune the end of it off like that. If you have this kind of situation, you're just worried about it being stressed out, one of the products we recommend is the one you actually have in your hand right there, which is Super Thrive. What I love about this product, both the products we're going to talk about this morning, you really can't mess it up. You can't overdo it. You're going to read on that one, it'll say 1 drop per gallon, which is pretty incredible. But we'll recommend, not on the label, but I'm going to tell you, we recommend a capful to 5 gallons, and we'll pour it around the trunk. It has hormones, different things that help release the fertilizer that's in the soil to come up and let the plant take it in.
All right, so that'll help you get things going if you're worried that it's coming up
Yeah.
a little bit slow.
We use this product and the Jumpstart, which you and I talk about for planting, but if you're worried about it being stressed out, you can go ahead and put it around the plant right now. We use that a lot in our commercial projects where they seem to get a little more abuse out in commercial areas. We'll go through gallons of this stuff every spring. So either one of these, if you're just worried about it, the test for sure is to go up here, scratch it, work your way back, prune it, and then don't overwater this spring, because if it's stressed out because of the water from last year, the root systems probably might have shrunk down to something about like this. Let's say it started out like that, but with the cold weather, nothing's going up and down the trunk, the root system's probably shrunk. So the main thing is don't overwater this spring.
All right, so don't overwater, and the blooming, the leaves coming out, not as fast as it was last year.
No. Yeah.
And you might think, oh, it's late this year, but it's pretty much on time.
Yeah, it's pretty much on time. Now you've got all these temperatures in your head from last year.
Yeah, last year we had
Yeah.
a really warm March and then an unusually cold April.
Yeah, so this is normal.
This is more of a typical year.
Yeah, it's more typical.
Where we're blooming more on time,
Yeah.
but it might just seem late.
Yes.
All right, that's about all the time we have for this week on the Good Earth Greenhouse. Join us back here next Wednesday.